Everything we did so far, it's been working with things that Unity already provided us. Okay, so we have the scene, we've added a cube, we've added a glass wall and changed the materials to change the transparency and color. We've added some spheres and particle systems, okay, and once we hit the play button, we can get the full simulation that we wanted to achieve. But the thing is, what we have here can be easily extended if we try to find new assets. Okay, now that we have this working logic, we can swap this for something beautiful. So instead of having this green field in here that is too simple and then having these flying spheres, maybe we can swap with other assets. You have two options. You might try to design these assets by yourself, or you can go to Unity's asset store. That can be accessed in Unity Editor by clicking on Window and going to the Asset Store or hitting Command 9, or you can just go straight to the website. Now, the good thing about the Asset Store is that this is an entire ecosystem of plugins and asset packages that you can just buy and add to your project. And well, in general, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so if someone already made a first-person shooter pack, for example, when you want to be quick, you want to focus on making the game and getting out there, you can just go to the asset store and purchase that. Or if you want a pack of skyboxes, if maybe you want a football stadium or the Coliseum, for example, you can just come here, browse for the files, and well, search for everything you need. Still, it is important for us to understand how it works on bare bones, so how physics work, how cubes work, so you can later understand what's happening behind the scenes. So if you go to the asset store, you're going to see that there are lots of categories in here. So we can go straight to 3D models or animations. We can search for complete projects that we can later extend. Okay, there's scripts, services, shaders. There are basically lots of things in here. And almost every day there's a sale going on. So we can find some very nice prices in here. If you go to 3D models, for example, notice that there are lots of filters in here that you can select. So for instance, if you want only free 3D models, you can just mark this and you're going to see lots of options in here. There are trees, there are entire cities, there's a male character, a robot character, cars. So you can just go here. Okay, of course you need an account in Unity. Just download that, import to your project. It's going to be here in the assets folder, and you can just add that to your game. So it's important. From time to time, take a look on the asset store. There might be something that can help you on making your game. So you can focus on making the actual game, on developing the fun for the players. Okay, so that's the last tip for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you next time.